Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning enter Google Pay and tap Get Started. Now you want to reset your app because this interface has changed. And as you can see, this is the new interface of Google Pay, and from here you can add payment method and add different types of cards. Next, you got access to all your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your full activity. Then we've got settings where you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, and offers and tips. Now we've got Contactless Setup, where you can turn on NFC, set payment method, check if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got your lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to your Google account. And that's it for your Google Pay app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.